What? It was Raggedy Ann? Yeah, it's not really candy. I have one of them.
Michaela has one of them, and
I love my Raggedy Ann, y'all. CJ will go on.
I can't look at
Now the rain is gone. Excuse me. Why the California told me? And keep it and get me back over there. I remember that toy. Yeah. Bye. All right, bye. All right, let me take a picture for him. All right. You said what? Oh yeah, okay. Let me take a video. All right, bye.
the
Look at all the old trains. I don't remember one right now. I don't remember that. I do not remember no doll baby. Archie Bunker's grandson. Joey Stivic. They need some bullshit. No, you didn't. I love dolls. How could you be scared of them? Oh, I had Cabbage Patch.
I was okay with the cabbage.
I had a bunch of them.
Well, I'm talking about
I
those.
cried today. That's Madeline. Madeline. I cried. Where's the Cabbage Patch at? Right there. Oh.
Why is half of her body black and her head is white?
Mm.
There's a nutcracker over here.
Yeah, he doesn't want to go that way. See? Yeah, locked up. We'll just, I want to take it. I want to take it.
Where's he at? Oh, who you go with, mommy? Yeah, mommy.
Simon, like your pirate ship.
I was like,
Oh, that's the whale is eating the pirate.
that's what I look